Today's video will be on how to spam your friends on Instagram by sending 1000 to 10,000 messages at a stretch by using two methods with Python. Before starting this video, in case if you're not subscribed my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Now you can also follow and contact me via Instagram and Facebook. The link will be given in the description. Let's straight away get started with the video. So first open your Chrome browser and search for Visual Studio Code. So this is the code editor where you can program. So here we will install it for Windows or Mac. So you can do it. So here are the two options for Windows and Mac. Since I have already installed it, I'll open it. So open a new window for Visual Studio Code and open the terminal and activate your environment variable. So if you're doing it for the first time, I will provide the link below in the description where how you can activate environment variable for the first time, and you can do it without environment variable also, but this is necessary. So we will activate our virtual env. So as you can see a small bracket written venv, that means it has been activated. So let's start with the code. So here's a small code where you can save it as spam.py. I'll save it as spaminsta.py, and this code link will be given in the description. So after this we will just make a new file called randomtext.txt, and we will put the random stuffs which we want to send. So here I want to put up one song, so we will search for a song You Belong With Me, and we will copy all these lyrics. So we are going to spam with this song lyrics to the person you want. So I'm going to copy this song and put it on the lyrics. So it sends one by one line for every messages in Instagram. So this would be fun. So now we will save it as a randomtext.txt file on the same location, and we will save it. So once you save it, we will run this program. So we will write as Python spaminsta.py. So before we run this, we will open our Chrome again, and then now we will click on Instagram. So we will go to Instagram. Now we can spam to the desired person we want. So I'll search for Taylor Swift. Since it's a Taylor Swift song, I want to spam Taylor Swift, and then we will just follow and send a message. So I guess we are ready. We'll just send hi text to check. Okay, we have tested it. Now we will just open the text. Now we will run this program. So just click enter and place your button over there, cursor over there, and then it will start automatically sending the messages. And this is gonna fun. They'll start getting multiple notifications to whomever person you are sending, and spam them. So there are two methods. This is one method, and you can send customized messages which you want to repeatedly send with a desired interval of time. As you can see, I'm showing it over a laptop. Just to show you, I'm not typing that speed. It's automatically being sent via Python, and this is gonna be so much fun to do. I guess everyone should try this to spam any of your friends. Here comes the second code of sending the messages from Python to Instagram. So you need to import these libraries, and with the interval of time range 10, I'm posting a PyGirl as a data to send it to Instagram via Python, and we will save it with a name spam2.py. So we will just save it and then run it. So I'll put it as Python spam2.py, and then before running it, I'll just save it. So we had missed a bracket, and then I put the bracket, and then we will run it again. So here, as you can see, I'm just going to click on cursor on the message send, and it's automatically sending the messages. And this is how it works. You can actually change the interval of time from the range 10 to 1000, 10,000 or lakh, and it'll automatically start sending the messages, which is totally fun. If you like this video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and like and press the bell icon notification.